Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna check out one of the setting in the Fujifilm camera. As you can see that this one was in the XH2. It's called high ISO NR. Usually I set it to -4 in my previous camera. So for the XT4 in other previous camera, I have some previous video talking about it. And even though Fujifilm talking about high ISO NR noise reduction, I'm just wondering if it's affecting the low ISO. So what I did was I took some picture with the 100 ISO. So you can see that it is 100 ISO speed right here. So in the background I have 3. So these 3 pictures I have the ISO set to the 100. So the most right hand side, this one is the NR +4. This one is NR 0. So NR 0 is the default factory, and this one is NR -4. So you can see that the differences, even though they all shot in the 100 ISO. So all of them are shot in the 100 range ISO speed, but it did affect the noise reduction, even though it's ISO 100. So that's to be aware, even when you are using a new sensor like the XH2 or XT5. For those of you that got the XT5 just recently, make sure to double check the setting. And if you want to maximize the sharpness, make sure to do the -4. So yep, that's my quick check on this high ISO NR noise reduction. So I usually put it into the -4 from all my previous cameras. It looks sharper overall also. So yep, just a quick tips, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.